Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to use Walmart Plus gas discount. Alright, let's begin. First, open the Walmart app on your phone and make sure you are signed in to your Walmart Plus account. Tap the Services tab in the app to find nearby participating gas stations. The discount works at many locations. Once you arrive at the gas station, open the Walmart app again. If your phone's location services are enabled, the app will automatically detect that you are at the station and show a message asking if you are ready to fuel. If the message does not appear, go to your account, tap Walmart Plus, and select Member Prices on Fuel. Then enter the number of the pump you are using. The pump will immediately apply the discount and reduce the price per gallon. Select your fuel grade and start pumping. The payment will automatically be charged to the card saved in your Walmart app, and a digital receipt will appear on your phone. So that's basically how you can use Walmart Plus gas discount. That's it for this video. Thanks.